this video, we're going to go over how to use multiple methods. It'll be the fourth video that we're doing on that, and probably the most confusing. If you need to see another video like this at the end, if it's still kind of murky, let me know and I'll do another video. So we have our import at the top. We've imported that package and we have our main. So now we need to create a new method. So public void, let's call it input to doubles, because that's what we're going to have them do. Alright, so first thing we need to do is get a scanner. So scanner input equals new scanner system.in. I'm going to be trying to move fast on this video, so I have plenty of time to get what I need to do done. Feel free to pause at any time. Let's see. And we tell them to actually put it in a double, so enter the first double. And then we'll name that double, so double first double equals input.next double. And then we'll have them input one more double, enter the second double. Double second double equals input.next double. And then we'll need to display those doubles. We'll make another method, public void display two doubles. And this will need to call in these doubles. So let's see. We first put in the data type, then what we're going to call the first one. We'll call it double one. Double. Alright, notice I'm not calling first double down here. This is just to demonstrate that I don't always have to call these the same things. This method could be something that can do a few different things, and I'm calling the different variables in here. I want to name different things. This variable name is only used inside this method. When it goes to a different method, it may have a different name. So the first double is, then we'll display that. And we'll also display the second double. So the second double is double two. And we'll put a little bit of space between these. From an earlier video, you should recognize this, so that we can separate this stuff easier. And then here we need to call this method. Right now nothing's telling this method to display anything. So display two doubles, and then we'll have it input. What do we want to send in here? It's taking double one first, so we'll send in the first double. And then we'll second in the second double. And we need to end that with a semicolon. Notice that our data types have to match. Here is a double, and double one is first double is what we send in first, and that's a double data type. And here it's taking in double first, so that's good. Same thing here. Alright. So this will, we need to call that method, and it'll display just fine. So joey.input two doubles. And this will just display the two doubles, so let's go with 100 and 200. In that 0.0, it's just the default format. It shows you that it's a double. But we can actually, we can do this a little bit differently. We can display these, we can display them differently using the same method and just calling it differently. Display two doubles. This time we're going to display them out of order. Second double, first double. Alright, so this method right here is going to do the same thing, just it's going to display them in the right order than the wrong order. Because here, the first thing it sends into here is the second double. And this one calls it double 1, so it's just going to display them in the wrong order. Enter the first double, let's go 100.5 and 200.5. So you can see what's going on fairly easy. I think those are easy to remember. We entered the first and second double. Here's the first double is 100.5, second double is 200.5, but then we sent them in reverse order. Here it's the first double is 200.5, the second double is 100.5. I don't know why that's bugging me, why that's not working. Anyways, it's because the order we sent this in at. So that's just to show you this method right here doesn't care at all what the things being sent in are called. All it cares about is, hey, am I getting a double for my first data type? Yes. And am I getting a double for the second data type? Yes. So this one's happy with everything that's going on. This one right here, it doesn't care what this method's calling stuff. It wants to display the second double first, so it says, alright, we will send in the second double. And that matches up with their data type. First double, that matches up with theirs, so everything's in order. It matters the order that you have things in with the commas, like comma will separate each variable that you send in. But what you call it is completely irrelevant. The computer does not care, it doesn't make a difference to it. I could actually send in the same thing. I could display 2 doubles, and I could send in the second double both times. And that would just display the second double twice. The computer doesn't care that you're doing the same thing, doesn't care if it's redundant. So we'll call it 100.5 and 200.5. And here the last time it just displays the second double twice, because it does not care about the order. Alright. Hope I've hit this in fairly well with you. If you need another example, let me know. I would definitely not mind doing more method examples because it took me a very long time to get these, but I'm hoping that you understand it faster than I did. Thanks for watching.